Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your speaker Amazon Echo Show 8. You have to start by connect your speaker to the power. Now it turn on and we can start a setup. Now choose a language and then click continue.
Hello, ready for setup. Would you like to turn on vision accessibility features?
I will enable it.
Screen magnifier.
Enable it also. Voice view screen reader I don't need it, so I just leave it here and then click continue. Now we should add into the network. So click on it and now write a password. Now when you write it, click done, connect. Now enter into your Amazon account. So write your email and the password. When you write your email, click next and start to write your password. When you write your password, click done and sign in. Agree and continue. Continue. Now, if you want to, you can change a name here, but I'm just click continue. Skip. Continue. Now choose your region. This one is okay for me, so click continue. Now choose a room. It will be a bedroom for me, but you can also scroll down and see all options what it have. Now click continue. Continue, but if you want to, you can check it here. Later. Not now. And we did it. And now, if you have a phone with a setup application, you can open it, add into account, and in the devices we can see, okay, maybe, yeah. And as you can see, it automatically added to the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.